Oh, let me start tuning, guys. My name is Michael. If you're new here, I do unboxings of CDs, vinyls every week. If you like that, like and subscribe. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Tate McRae Think Later CD. Also, if I look rough, whatever, I have to film this early because I'm going to be busy tomorrow. So, my eyes are red because I love to rub them in. Don't do that. Let's get in. I usually have my mic hooked up, so I hope everything sounds good. So, this is it. Super cute. I am literally obsessed with this album. I cannot get enough of it. So good. Okay. Like, bitch, she's Canadian, I think. She is. Wow. Is that like a hockey rink, right? Right? Yeah. That's cool. Let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. Oh, this is different. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah. My God. Oh, it's all the lyrics. All the lyrics and then photos. Oh, if you haven't heard this album, it's just so fucking good. I'm gonna give y'all my top 3 because that's what I always do. That's what I always do. Run for the Hills. We're Not Alike is currently on loop right now. And Guilty Conscience. So fucking good. Oh my God. Cut My Hair, great. Greedy. She's everywhere. Can't not hear her. Run for the Hills. When she said late night hotels, I felt that. I felt that. Hurt My Feelings. That one's... Stay Done. Yeah. Yeah. Grave. Exes. I heard that one in the club once. I said, get up. Get up. We're Not Alike. Yeah. That one is... We're Not Alike is just like a... Like, this girl's a bitch. This guy's a bitch. Yeah. Calgary. Cool. Messier. Yeah. Think Later. Guilty Conscience. I'll be wanting you back till the cops start calling. Want That Too. Plastic Palm Trees, yeah. Honestly, they're all good. Like, they all make the album, and it's good. And I never really, like, listened to this little girl, but I said, let me listen to this one. And it's good. It's good. Y'all should listen to it. But yeah, that was the whole video. Like and subscribe if you like this. Really quick one. Let me know what y'all want me to unbox next. I would unbox Beyonce, but I don't think I can get hands on that vinyl anywhere. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe that one's next, hopefully. We'll see. But see you in the next one. Besitos.